Okay, so I've got these stickers. Oops, I'm looking. So I cut it. This is the one we're gonna turn into a sticker. Careful. Okay, I'm cutting the sticker, which is easy peasy. Yeah. So we're done with cutting. Guys, I'm gonna find the materials. Okay, so I've got my wax paper. Yeah. So I've got my tape. Yeah.
จ๊ะ
เอาเทปออกหนูทำวิดีโอทำสติกเกอร์
กูทำสติ๊กเกอร์อย่าเฮ็ดออก
โอเค
Unknown caller.
Huh? Huh? Where is it? Oh my gosh. Okay.
เวลาเด็ดให้มันติดตรงนี้นะอย่าให้มันหลุดหายไป
So my grandma opened the tape for me. I'm gonna get cut out it. This does work well. Try it. Then you make the tape longer and we will use it and tape it onto the wax paper or baking paper for some reason. And place the thing we are gonna turn into sticker. Then get some stickers. No, I mean some tape. The friend blew it. So we have to get the thing first into the wax paper. Make sure it's on the tape bit. Then we're gonna get on a piece of tape Oh my gosh, I forgot. Okay, so is this thing? Yeah. Start cutting it. It's almost done. Cut more. Make sure to do this. Leave extend the tape. Yay, you're done. I'm gonna try to peel it. Oh. Yay, it works. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.